Dear brothers and sisters, if you look up and examine the Muslim Ummah, one most important disease the Muslim Ummah is suffering from is the corruption. Hadith number 8.503, Abu Hurairah radiallahu anh reported that Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, when honesty is lost, then wait for the hour. It was asked, how will honesty be lost, O Prophet of Allah? He said, when authority is given to those who do not deserve it, then wait for the hour. Let me repeat again what the Prophet ﷺ said. When the authority or the responsibility is given to those who do not deserve it, then wait for the hour. Dear brothers and sisters, if you examine the Muslim Ummah, you will find the most incompetent people are given the highest and the most important jobs because they are relatives to them or they are business partners. They are not competent. They are not deserving to hold that post. What is the result of having honesty lost? Then the corruption starts. And the corruption will grow and grow more and more. So, dear brothers and sisters, Prophet ﷺ told us 1400 years ago that if you give even one post to the person who is incompetent and who is not deserving, if you do that, then within the system the honesty will be gone and the corruption will grow and will flourish. So, dear brothers and sisters, whoever has the authority to appoint a person, please make sure that person is deserving and competent. Thank you.
Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala